Hello everyone, my name is J-lynn, and I will be talking about the Canada goose for my environmental science presentation. Thank you and have a great day. Class Aves, Order Anseriformes, Family Anatidae, Genus Branta, Scientific name Branta canadensis. Description: long black neck, black head, white cheeks, and brownish body. Body weight ranges from 3.2 pounds, 6.5 kilograms for a male adult, and 2.5 pounds or 5.5 kilograms for a female adult. Wingspan ranges from 1.3 to 1.7 meters, or 50 to 68 inches. The male is about 10% larger than the female. Distribution and habitat. There are populations of Canadian geese all across North America, from the treeless Arctic tundra to the southern United States. Canada geese are well-known residents of nearly all types of wetland, as well as municipal parks and beach areas. Characteristic V-shaped flocks of migrating Canada geese are a very common sight and sound all across Canada every spring and fall. Flying as many as 1,000 kilometers or 620 miles per day, they can be found by the hundreds in fields and wetlands, resting and feeding during their semi-annual trip. And here's a map of their habitat distribution. Diet: herbivores. Canada geese eat a variety of plant species, particularly aquatic plants, grasses, sedges, grain, and berries, though fish or invertebrates have been reported in their diets in small amounts. In fall and winter, Canada geese can often be seen in waste grain areas, harvested corn, wheat, and soybean fields, feeding in morning and late afternoons. Predators. Adult Canada geese have few natural predators, but eggs and goslings are vulnerable to coyotes, foxes, raccoons, large gulls, and birds of prey. Life cycle. Canada geese typically form monogamous pairs that may last for life. Breeding occurs in spring, with time varying by latitude. Pairs often return to the same nesting site each year. Nests are usually built on the ground near water, constructed of plant material and lined with down. Females lay 2 to 8 cream-colored eggs per clutch. Incubation lasts about 28 days, and it is performed solely by the female while the male guards nearby. Goslings are precocial and can leave the nest within 24 hours of hatching, staying with their parents for up to 2 months. Global conservation status. Least concern. While the Canada goose is not globally threatened, some populations face localized challenges. In many urban areas, they are considered overabundant, leading to management effects. Conservation focuses on maintaining healthy populations while mitigating human-wildlife conflicts. Effect on humans. Disease transmission. Canada geese can carry bacteria and parasites that can make humans sick, including E. coli, Salmonella, Legionella, Humanella. However, there is no direct evidence that humans can get sick from touching goose droppings, and the risk of transmission is not well understood. Water quality. Canada geese can degrade water quality contaminated with their droppings. Traffic hazards. Canada geese can also be traffic hazards. Aggressive behavior. Canada geese can be aggressive when defending their nests, especially towards small children, as seen in the picture, and pets. Aircraft strikes. Canada geese are a significant safety threat to aircraft, especially when flying in flocks. Turf damage. Large flocks of Canada geese can destroy grass in parks, golf courses, and other landscaped areas. To minimize human conflict with Canadian geese, you can: number 1, do not feed the geese. Number 2, leave the geese alone. Number 3, remove food or shelter sources for the geese. Number 4, alter the landscape to discourage the geese. Number 5, install fencing around bodies of water. Number 6, create a visual barrier along the shoreline. And number 7, contact the municipality if you are having problems with geese in a public space. And lastly, birdwatching tips. Look for Canada geese near water bodies, including lakes, ponds, and coastal areas. Listen for the distinctive honking calls, especially during flight. Observe their behavior in urban parks, where they have become common residents. In the UK and parts of Europe, watch for them as introduced species in similar habitats. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my small presentation about the Canadian goose. Have a great weekend.